Alright. Gonna redo the upper evap delete because it's about around 800 or 1,000 miles. It throws a code for too much pressure, so we're gonna remove that line with the cap on it, place it with a 3/8 inch line and a one-way 3/8 inch check valve. And if you haven't pulled your intake manifold before, just gonna pop these lines up. There's an extension in there. There's 5 T30s. Disconnect your charge pipe, and then we're going to pull these 4 screws for the throttle body. They're also T30s. After that, you're going to a couple of plugs here. This one in the back is the Evap that we're going to be changing. You're going to disconnect that and this brake booster line, or the GFB on there, but brake booster line's there. Alright, this is the line we're taking off, coming off of here. I'm going to remove this end, heat this up a little bit, slice it with a razor blade. Should be an O-ring at the end here, don't cut that. Potentially an O-ring at the end over there. And then we're just going to pull this whole thing out, put the line in with the one-way check valve. So there is no O-ring on the side, so be a little more liberal with your razor blade cuts. That comes off, just a little slit, slides out. Pull this off, cut this other end off over here, and set up that. And so you can see there's a little O-ring here at the bottom. And you're gonna have this plug. Then we're just gonna slide a rubber hose on, clamp it, connect it, put the valve in. Same thing the other side. I cut up 1 foot piece of hose, and you're going to take your check valve, and you want to make sure your directional flow is going towards the throttle body. Where is this? This one here just has a tiny arrow on it. Can't really see it. There it is. But make sure it's going that way. And it should look like this now. About 13¼ inches on this side and like 12 on this side. So really, if you just do 13-inch pieces of hose with a one-way check valve in the middle, should do it. We'll see. And now that it's in here, I think it's definitely too long. These come out right about where the GFB is. This hose had a pretty crappy bend in it anyway, so I'm just going to cut this side so hopefully it'll hook up a little easier. So it looks like it's going to be a total of about 21 inches of hose. And it's about a 3/4 inch check valve, so roughly 22 inches overall. And while you got this open, my valves are pretty clean, but take this opportunity to spray a little bit of seafoam on there.